Hello children, this is St. Florence YouTube channel. I am Manoj sir, your mathematics teacher. I am going to explain a new chapter, concept of area of triangle. I am teaching maths since last 30 years. This chapter especially in class in CBSE board class 10. ICSE I think it is not there. So try to understand. After that, another chapter is there. This is equation of straight line. That is for ICSE board. That I'll explain very nicely. That is not in CBSE. Whatever is there, I will teach all the things in such a way that CBSE student of class 10 and ICSE student of class 9 also, they will cover it properly. Whatever your requirement, that number of videos you have to see, you have to understand this. Now see area of triangle, how to find. Triangle ABC is given. What is the coordinate x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3? Now how to find the area? How to derive the formula, that I am not doing. How to remember the formula, that I am going to explain you. Area of triangle equal to, how to remember that, to understand well. First write x1. Now see, in bracket write y. How to write, I understand. x1 is written. Then next, after 1, what is coming? 2, 3. Here 1, 2, 3 is given. So next coming 2, then coming 3. So write here y2 minus y3. Clear? First write x1, then write 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. Then give plus sign. Write x2. After 2 what comes? 1 or 3. After 2, 1 or 3? 3 come. So after that 2, 3 will come. So write y3. Then after 3 what is? Again 1. Because 1, 2, 3 is there. So 1. So y1 write down. Then write x3. Again bracket give. After 3 what will come? 4 is not there. Because here 1, 2, 3. It will rotate. After 3 again 1. So y1 you have to write, then 2 you have to write. You have to understand again once. If 1 you have to write, y what to write? 2, 3. If x2 will start, then write 3, again 1. Because 1, 2, 3, again 1, 2, 3, again 1, 2, 3. So if x is 2, y 3, then 1. If x is 3, then 3, then what is? 1. And then coming 2. Okay? Now see, I have to say here, in bracket I write down and write here half. Okay, half write down, half into this, and also write modulus sign. Why modulus? Because area is never negative. Area is never negative. So modulus sign means if negative value will come, then also it is positive value. If your answer is coming minus 20, then what is the area? Area is not minus 20. That is 20 square unit. Okay, I think formula is clear. You have learned the formula, you can remember the formula. Then I have to teach you another formula. Then I will say another thing is that area of triangle, you have understood this formula. How to remember? Once more I am saying to understand well. If x1 is there, then write 2, 3. Why write? But 2, 3. 2, 3. If x2 write, then write after 2 what is? 3. Then what is? 1. 3, then 1. In between minus sign is there. If x3 write, then what is? 1. And then what is? 2. Okay? In this way, easily we can remember this formula. It is long formula, so easily you can remember. This is the most easiest way to learn this formula, and it is very easy for you in exam also to understand. I think you are clear. One more thing you have to learn. When 3 points are like this, if 3 points lie in a straight line, then can we form the triangle? No, triangle will not form. If 3 points are not collinear means not in a straight line, then triangle will form. Then some area will come. This area is there, this area. Okay, and if it will come in straight line, there is no area. So if I say 3 points are collinear. 3 points are collinear. That means area of triangle, what is? Area of triangle should be half, mod you write down or don't write, write down x1, this formula same thing write down. Now see, if 3 points are collinear, what is the area? Area will come nothing. So area equal to 0. Clear children? Area equal to 0. This half I will transfer that side. Then what I say? Then I say x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2 equal to 0. That means if area will come 0 because this total is 0, then half and multiply half outside is 0. So if area will come 0, that means 3 points are collinear. There is only two formulas is there. One formula is this, find the area and prove 3 points are collinear. Sometimes what happens, some unknown value is given here. Let it is given, this value is given y3 minus k. They will say find the value of k. Area is 0. What to do? You write here k, here write 0. Then you have to solve it if it is collinear. If it is not collinear, some value should be given. If it is any one value is unknown, then answer is given to you. So this is equal to answer write down, and then you have to solve it. While doing sums, I'll explain you like that way. So I think there are two formulas only. Area of triangle, and area of triangle is 0 when 3 points are collinear. One another thing, just let one coordinator is given. x1, x coordinator. What to do? See here, x2, y2, x3, y3 and x4, y4. Now see, there it is A, B, C and D. Now how to do this? If coordinator is given, coordinator is another formula is there. But I can do with this only. What is? Draw a diagonal. We have to take this point, these 3 points and find the area of this. Okay, now take these 3 points and find the area of this. Then add these two. So if coordinator is given, draw a diagonal, find 2 triangles area by this formula and then add this, we will get the area of quadrilateral. I think clear you are? Everybody clear? So these two formula only remember. In the next class, I will do some sums related to this chapter that you will understand. Okay children, goodbye.